Apple bounced off support at 191.60, making its move back up in the channel. We discussed this already, right? This was our discussion. This is support. This is resistance. There goes our break of resistance to the upside. Now we're bullish up here, right? I told you if it can break that, you're going to be retesting new highs, right? There you go. Still have one in there. Do you guys see how we rode this? I had a plan. I had a level to sell. It stayed above my level to sell. I didn't move it around. I'm not playing around with it, right? I've taken all the risk off the table. I have my strategy, and now I'm making money, right? Now I'm making more money just by simply executing my plan. And here it is. Can you guys see it? Oh, it's only $36. Well, what if there was 10 more contracts? That's $360. What if that was 1,000 more contracts? That's $3,600. So put it into perspective. I've only got one contract worth $41. I want it to stay up here nice and tall. What I'm looking for, just so you guys know, if it breaks this 192, I'm out. Just because I want to take more money, my risk to reward ratio, I'm getting ready to sell, I'm out. Boom, just sold. I made $34 on that, and I'm out. That's it. Done. All done. Now look at this thing bleed out.
NVIDIA is running.
Thank you. You see that, everybody? The reason I did that up here is because I knew if it can't push this new zone, what's going to happen on a double top, right? It's going to be a pullback. If it's a pullback, I wanted to make sure I got out so I didn't lose all that money, right?
Hey, Coach, got a quick question. When it was up at the 200, I bought some calls thinking that it broke through on the second candle. What should I do differently next time to confirm that it broke through?
That's a great question. So remember, it has to be well, you can see it right here. So even when this came through, see this?
Mm-hmm.
If you look at where this wick is, it never got higher than this, which would have been the previous body, right? So if you guys remember, my training is long one candle or a candle that breaks through with a candle that breaks the previous body high, which is considered an engulfing candle. Yes?
Yeah, I thought it did that, but I was wrong. Okay, great. Thanks.
Yep. Yeah, it was close. Let me look at it. But if you look at this point to this point, it never broke it. See it, how it's down? And you've got to be careful. This is a seller's wick. See this?